is up, guys? It's BT finally back here again with another video. It's been a while, I know, guys, forgive me. I've been traveling the world. I traveled a ton lately in Europe over the past couple of weeks, as some of you may have seen in my Instagram stories. If you haven't, if you didn't see it, you can always follow me here at BT Aesthetics on Instagram. Anyways, since I've been traveling so much, I've needed a solid pair of headphones to get me through those 16-hour flights. And that's where the Bose QC35's Series 2 come in the clutch. Now, you may be saying, BT, now these came out like a year ago, you're late. And yes, I've had them for a year, but I never really saw a point to reviewing them. Once I got them, they were exactly like the Series 1. I mean, there is literally no difference between the battery life. Both have the great same comfort and button layout. The only real difference being the Google Assistant button, so that you can control your music without having to look at your phone. This is all fine and dandy, but what if you are an iPhone user? I mean, I use both, by the way, so don't roast me in the comments, please. I couldn't really see a point to telling people to upgrade. Now they are coming out with an Alexa update for iPhone users, but still it would be nice to have some of that Siri in there somehow. But I'm sure evil Apple has something to do with blocking them from doing so. With all that being said, this is my year with the Bose QC35's version 2. Before we begin with these amazing headphones, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more content like this. There will be a giveaway at 10,000 subs, guys. One pair being some Sony headphones, so make sure you really don't miss out. Make sure you're subscribed. So how did all this happen? These were once my most criticized headphones to becoming some of my favorite headphones. Well, to cut to the chase, it really came down to me traveling more, if I'm honest with you guys. These things just rock for travel. The comfort is amazing for those long flights where your head is just flying all over the place and you're trying to get some sleep, and you want to try to get as much sleep as possible, especially when you're flying like 16 hours. And not only that, the noise cancellation blocks out so much of that engine noise. Even without playing music, it dampens everything around you. I mean, most noise cancellation headphones are pretty weak in that regard. You put them on and you can still hear noise outside of you. And even Sony doesn't do it that well. But after wearing these all around the world, I seriously don't know how people travel without some kind of noise cancellation headphones. If you're some kind of traveler, you have to own a pair of these for sure. In the past, Bose has gotten a lot of hate. The age-old saying goes, if there's no highs and there's no lows, then it must be Bose, right? Well, to some extent that is true, but that doesn't mean that they are bad sounding at all. On the contrary, they actually sound quite full and rich without going too far into each side of the spectrum, high or low. And vocals are actually really nice and present as well. After trying so many expensive headphones, I've come to the conclusion that the QC35s are where they need to be in terms of price to performance, sound-wise. I mean, I've tried $1,000 headphones, $1,000 earbuds, and for $350, these are not bad at all. They are right in the middle of the pack, I think, where they should be when compared to some of the more expensive brands like AUDEZE. Another great feature to these is that you can actually connect them to multiple devices, and this helps when switching to like an iPhone to a MacBook, or having an Android and an iPhone hooked up to it. It just works flawlessly. And if you're not using the button for the assistant, you can use it to change the strength of the noise cancellation, which is also awesome. A little bit more control. Of course, the build quality is always exceptional. You can throw these things around and rest easy knowing that these will not break on you, and you can really just take these anywhere, give them a beating as you go around the world, and they'll be just fine. I mean, $350 may seem like a hefty price tag, but you're getting headphones that will last you a lifetime, in my opinion. The comfort is top-notch, the top-notch build quality, and most importantly, you get that rich, full Bose sound, all combining to give you an excellent travel companion for your everyday life. So if you are on the fence, definitely try them out, because they have definitely grown on me these past couple of months. And I can admit that I was wrong in the past. I criticized these a lot, but that was before I started traveling, and that was before I really saw the genius in these headphones. They're amazing. So thank you guys for watching. As always, guys, thank you for your continued support, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the way out. If you haven't already, we're almost there, guys. We're almost at 10,000 subs.